Have you ever struggled with competing demands on your time in terms of knowing which person to reply to, or which client to call back, or which prospect to nurture or have a creative reach out to, so that you can maximize that free hour you had, or that unexpected canceled meeting? Now you've got 90 minutes. What do? You just go back to your inbox and manage it? Do you go to a news site and read what's going on in the world? Not saying those are bad options, but wouldn't it be nice to have a nice, ready to go, always up to date list of people that you had already decided to call or to reach out to? And that's what Salentica InTouch is designed to provide. We will automatically track any emails that you've logged to the system, and we'll note that right here. And whenever you or anyone on your team has a phone call activity, we'll update the last conversation. And when you have what we call a review, which however you run your practice, that would just be some kind of significant touch point. A lot of times it was in person. So maybe you're doing video calls or whatever. The point is it's a more significant touch point. So we have level 1, level 2, level 3, generally speaking. And you can tell Salentica based on your preferences, maybe based on the client's overall value to you. You can prioritize how often and how much you'll make yourself available. And it can automatically populate your InTouch. So the purpose of InTouch is to help you have the right conversation with the right person at the right time. That's really the goal. This works with clients, which are relationships, and it works with opportunities, which are prospects. And the nice thing about this is that not only does it automatically populate these dates, and therefore it can feed right into your client insights dashboard or really any other dashboard you want. You could turn on a notification, so where you're going to get you actually have a built-in email report that can come to you every week. For example, on a Monday morning, you can get almost like an email digest of people to reach out to this week. That's already pre-built and engaged. You can just turn it on for anybody that wants to get it. In addition to that, you can actually choose what those service levels mean to you. So I have a very simplistic example of a tier 1 service level that I decided was a monthly email, bi-monthly call, and twice a year in-depth review. That's just my simple model here for Nick and Catherine Rogers, but this is how easy it is to change that, and you guys can decide in your own firm how you like to do it. But we actually have the ability to come here and just change the drop down to email, phone call, or review frequency to all the common options. So it's very simple to get up and running. And the point is, you don't have to sit there and babysit it. You can always override it with, I know I want to email them on this date. Great. Or I know I want to call them on this day. Great. But it'll also populate automatically. So that's InTouch. It'll help you for the right person at the right time and really have that right conversation, because you're going to have all your activity. You're going to have important notes all at your fingertips, and you can always be ready and be totally effective and efficient wherever you happen to be working.